Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're getting into two boxes. We got the BeautyFix by Dermstore, and we've got the Allure box. If you want to hear all about my BeautyFix, which is probably the same as everybody else's BeautyFix, and my Allure, which could be slightly different than everybody else's Allure, just keep on watching. Hey guys, how is everybody today? So I usually pair my BeautyFix box with my sudsy, but I did pair that with another box this month, so we're going to do these two. I want to talk real quick about these. You've got the Allure box. This is $15 a month, and Allure is like full size and it's sample size, and sometimes they have really great boxes for the 15 bucks. Sometimes they're So let's get into this month, see how that one is. And I also wanted to talk about this. This is Dermstore. Last month we got the best box we've gotten from Dermstore in a long time. This one, not so much. So we're going to talk about this one. This is $25 a month. It is run by Dermstore, and it is a skincare heavy box every single month. All right, let's start with Allure. Thought it was a little better this month. So Allure always comes in this little like shoebox. These are really cute, guys, for like jewelry items and little items, beads, things like that. So I do keep these little boxes around. So let's get into what we got. I'm just going to pull everything out here so that I can show you guys a little bit easier, since I tend to make a mess of things. But yeah, I mean, these are really cute. If you guys want like a little box, I mean, I've got tons of these. Like I said, I put like bracelets in here because I get a lot of these from Rising Sun Oracle and some other stuff that I get. I love my crystal items for sure, so I put them in here so they stay nice and organized because I have a lot of them. My whole jewelry drawer just is full of everything. All right, so let's get into it. Every month we do get a little magazine. Obviously, Allure is a magazine company, so they really take pride in their little magazines. They go through everything about these products, really let you know why they're Allure best winners, and I always think they're cute, and the girls on these are just awesome. They're so beautiful, so love that. So first, we got from Belief their True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is the aloe vera version of this. I've gotten this so many times. I have not gotten it with the aloe vera. It is a sample size. You can see it kind of has that false bottom. I'm going to try it with the aloe vera. I haven't been a huge fan of the other version of it, but I will try it with the aloe vera, so I'm not totally upset about that. Next, we got from La Roche-Posay, and this is a concentrate anti-wrinkle concentrate. And guys, as I'm in my 40s, anything that wants to take away my wrinkles, I'm super happy about it. It is, again, a sample, but there's quite a bit in here, so you know what? Oops. As I drop it. I'm not unhappy about that, so I will give that a try as well, so I'm kind of excited about that. Then we got from Yenza, this looks like it is a lip oil. Yes, this is a Super 8 lip oil, and I have gotten this one before, guys, so I'm not going to open it up so I can give it away. It is very pink, like very pink. But because it's an oil, it's not as pigmented, but it still is pretty pink, so I will give it away to somebody who really loves that color. Next, we got from Pure Lease, which is kind of like a drugstore slash luxury brand. I think they're kind of in the middle. And this is a watermelon plus charcoal purifying cleanser. I have used this product before. It is great. Charcoal and me do not get along though, so I will be giving this away only because I personally cannot do the whole charcoal thing, but it is a really good cleanser. And I love watermelon. The next thing we got was super fun. So we got from the Dashing Diva, and this is a gloss ultra shine gel palette. Basically, you put these on your nails. I, of course, have my nails done, but you know what? Maybe I'll give this a try at some point. Probably not. I'll probably give it away. But it does kind of intrigue me. It is very pretty. I mean, I do get mine done that way, but they say it lasts for 2 weeks, so maybe, you know what? I'll throw it over my nails like right before they're ready to be done and see how it goes. But I like that they did something different. I think this is kind of fun. And the last thing we got was a mask, and this is a 2-step mask, so it has a brightening serum. This is kind of like that mud masky one that we got, where it's like an after serum kind of thing. So this is the new thing, like you do a sheet mask and then an after serum. So you know what? I think it's cool, the format, the way they have it on here, and this is from Starskin. So I'm happy with this. Guys, I think we got a lot of good stuff for 15 bucks. We definitely got at least one full size, and we got a full size nail kit. We got a full size lip oil, and you know what? We got a one-time sheet mask, some oil, and some wrinkle concentrate. I'm happy with that. Nothing to complain about. I think it's great for 15 bucks, and I will continue to get the Allure box. Okay, so let's get into the Dermstore box. And guys, last month was so good for Dermstore that this month makes me want to cry. First off, let me get out my little pamphlet. They also do a little magazine style, and their girls, again, are just absolutely gorgeous. There's only 2 pictures, and they kind of just lay out all the products for you. And then they do let you know to tag them in all of their reviews, which I always do. And the box has not changed. It still has my favorite saying, we're here for the unabashed love of skin. And it's got the little worms in it, which get all over everything and make everything have black soot all over it, which is why I don't understand for the life of me why they put this crap in there. But I'm going to go ahead and throw that away so I don't have to deal with it anymore. I do love these boxes too. They're, again, great for putting stuff away, keeping yourself organized. And they still do have that pink format. So this month we only got, what, like 6 items? Let's see, 6 items, which is kind of low for them. Usually they do like 8, 12 items. They really, really kind of gypped us this month. And we'll start off with this. This is from the new company, and this is a chronic bloating relief. I know we get bloated, guys, but what am I doing with 2 pills? It's a one-time use. And it's got turmeric root powder, ginger root, and cinnamon bark in it. No. Don't see the point of that. That's not really a real item. Then we got from Image Skincare the eye mask, which is a hydrating hydrogel sheet mask. It's infused with juju water. Again, it's a one-time sheet mask. I do love sheet masks, and of course I get tons of them in subscription boxes. Am I thrilled? It's a sheet mask. Okay, so next we got from Sky Iceland, which I really do love this brand, the Oxygen Infused Night Cream with Glacier Flower Power Extract. And you know what? This I'm probably the most excited about. It smells good. It definitely has that floral scent, not like rose, but just like that like wildflower kind of a scent thing going on. And let's just try the texture of it. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely moisturizing, so I am really super excited about that. I will get some good use out of that. Then we got from Orbe the Beach Waves and Shine Spray. I'm kind of curious about this, so we're going to go ahead and try it. See if I can mess up my hair any. So just off the bat, I don't think my hair is any shinier. I don't think it did much, but give me some sticky stuff in my hair. This is why I don't use this stuff, guys. It tends to make my hair look raunchy, doesn't it? All right. Next, we got from Clarity the Glimmer of Hope Shimmering Facial Oil. I'm really, really touchy about oils. I tend to not use them because I'm an oily person to begin with, so probably won't get into much of that. And the last thing I got was from Smith & Colt, and I've gotten this format before. These are gorgeous, and I tend to keep them as like decorations, but I don't paint my nails, as we already covered before, so this is useless to me too. So what am I going to use out of this box? Probably this night cream. Is this worth $25? It's a sample, so no. This was an awful Dermstore BeautyFix. Guys, first off, the amount of products was dismal to your normal. Second, a sample of hairspray. Guys, we're over this stuff. A single sheet mask, whatever this cinnamon root for bloating is. You really have to want to paint your nails to want to paint that way. And then facial oil, again, is very subjective to the type of skin you have. And this overnight is great. One item out of the 6 I'm actually going to use. No, ma'am. So this month, I cannot, in good faith, say that Dermstore was any good. I think it was actually pretty terrible. So, guys, if I did a good job, go ahead and like the video. If I didn't, go ahead and dislike the video. Comment down below. Do you get either of these boxes? Were you happy with this month? Or were you not happy this month? We want to know. Follow me on my socials, lifestyle.ella on Instagram and Lifestyle by Ella on Facebook. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, shine away. And remember, control your emotions before they consume you. Because once they consume you, then you're on a journey, not just an issue. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.